Hello, this is Eddie with Fast Eddie's Appliance Repair. We're here in Tulsa. We're looking at it's a stackable washer and dryer combo. Well, this is actually like this is more like a duet, like a Whirlpool duet. So you can think of that, and it makes this thing really easy to diagnose. In fact, you can go and look at the Whirlpool duet, trouble codes and stuff like that, and it tells you how to fix this thing if you're looking for trouble codes. You can actually get in on this washer. If you go down here, at the bottom, left and right and left, there's a screw there, and a screw right there in the middle, the bottom, and then another one on the right hand side. Um, Back behind this panel, there's the drain pump, and to the right of the drain pump, along this wall over here, inside the cabinet, you'll see a sheet of some paperwork, and that is your tech manual. So you can get in there and get your error codes and such. If you have an error code issues with this, you can just go right there and get your find out what your problems are with it. But this one today isn't a troubleshoot for codes. This one is a different kind of error. The customer's complaint is it's making noise and not spinning. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what he's seeing. This looks really good. I don't even know how to turn the thing on. Oh, where's it at? I know I'm just missing it. Oh, okay, no, that's not one. Okay, so I should be able to just touch the button that I want. I know it looks really good. See, at Whirlpools, you have to hit the power on to get to do anything, so that's why that confuses. I want... Okay, we just want drain and spin here. So we're going to hit spin. So all we had to do is just hit the button for the cycle. Sorry about that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sit here and we're going to let this drain. We're going to let this do its thing and get to the point where it's spinning. And once it does that, I'll start this back. Okay, so we're spinning now. We're starting to come up to speed. You can look and see at that tub. So I was just wobbling back and forth. But if you look, it's not the whole tub, it's not the outer tub that's moving. Let's see, I'm trying to find a way to get to see where you can see that. If you look from the side, well, you can see there, I think you can see there, the inner tub's moving, but the outer tub's not. We're going to wait for this thing to get up to speed, because you're not going to notice that the first thing. You can hear a little bit of the noise it's starting to make. Hear that? It's trying not to, the motor controller is catching the fact that it's out of balance, because the tub itself is not centered. Like it's off center. So what it's doing, the controller is seeing the fact that it's off center, out of balance because of that, and it's stopping the spin. So what's going to happen is this thing's going to go back and forth a couple times before it hits spin up on it. So let's just I'm going to pause this a little longer so that you can see high speed on it. I think it's fixing to start to spin up here. We're at 5 seconds or 5 minutes on the timer. I don't know if it's going to let it spin up or not. You can see that thing's wobbling around. Which I know these do that normal with clothes in it, but these things are supposed to be pretty straight whenever you don't have no clothes in it at all. These things usually are pretty, close, but this thing's just wobbling around. You hear all that? seen a lot worse than this. You hear slapping the outer tub's what you're hearing. You're hearing the inner tub slap the outer tub. I think that's enough. Alright guys, what's wrong with this? What's wrong with this is the spanner. The spanner on the back side of the inner tub is broken. See how I can lift that up separate from the outer tub? You see how I don't see these two pieces? This piece and this piece should move as one. And now if I lift up on that, both of them should move at the same time. And that one doesn't. There should be solid between the two. You see how much movement I have there? I did another video before about a similar situation, and it was because of the bearing, but this one is because of the spanner. The fix for this is to either replace the spanner. Now, if you're going to ask me to do it, I'm going to tell you replace the inner and outer tub, or inner and outer back half of the tub. You replace all of that. Okay, it's only one sure way to fix it the first time around to be done. Now, if you do it yourself, I guess you could just replace the spanner on the back side of the inner tub. But my recommendation to you is to do it the right way. Do it the factory way on that one, because that's factory recommended way to do the repair. So I guess that's it today. I'm trying to think of any other information. If you got that, if that's what you're looking at, that's what you're looking at a lot of money there. I know that spanner is at least $200. And then all the hard work to get into it. And there's other guys that's willing to show you that, but I'm not. But that's what you're looking at. Thanks. Bye.